What's up, guys? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. So guys, this is not just a fashion channel. We're also going to be talking about men's grooming. So I've been scanning around the market to look for what products work. And guys, I came across Tiege Hanley, and this product, this is the best skincare for men, and I'm gonna show you why. I've tested out a lot of skincare products for men like Proactive, Neutrogena, and they didn't seem to work for my skin tone. But when this product came out, I tested it out for a couple of weeks and they seem to work for every skin tone. You want to use this product twice a day, and consistency is what makes the product work. So you want to use it in the morning when you wake up from your bed, after you take a shower, and you want to use it before you go to bed at night. And I found that if you're consistent with the product, it's not going to take that long to work. It's going to probably take like a month of using, and you're going to start seeing results. Guys, first, when you start off, you have to wet your face with hot water. You wet your face with hot water to get your pores opened up so the product really gets in there and clean it thoroughly. So guys, you also want to use a spin brush, because the spin brush is really going to help you clean your face thoroughly, because you can't just rely on your fingers alone. They're not going to really get in your pores. So first, I like to apply the face wash in the spin brush. You don't have to apply that much. You just have to apply just like a penny size amount. Mix it in the brush. Guys, all you have to do is just spin it. Just really get in there. And guys, this only takes like a minute, so you can't like go over a spot for like 10 minutes. Just take like about 30 seconds. And guys, if you have a beard, you want to work your way in the beard too. So it really gets in there. This stops like black heads and ingrown hairs. And also, if you suffer from like oily face, this is gonna help you with that. Help you get some of that oil out of your face. And guys, wash your nose, like clean the area around your nose, because it also help you like clean the blackheads and like extra oil. Get underneath your neck too. Guys, if you shave under your neck, you know, it's a really good spot to clean, because a lot of bacteria and like ingrown hair usually comes up beneath your neck. So yeah guys, after you're done with the spin brush, all you have to do is rinse up the product with cold water. So guys, after washing my face with cold water, I like to use a towel to pat it dry. And guys, you don't want to use the towel to like rub on your face, because it's going to damage your pores. So you want to pat it dry. Just dap it around. So after you're done doing that, guys, you want to use a AM moisturizer. You don't need that much. Just a little bit. If you guys want the products to work fast, you gotta pair it up with a spin brush. We got this spin brush from Vanity Planet. So if you guys want to pick them up, the link is going to be down in the description below. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe below. And please turn on your post notifications so you know exactly when we post out a new video.